A reliable jump starter is one of those must-have accessories we all keep in our car for those just-in-case moments. And for the past few months, we've been carrying these two jump starters from Jomgand called JQP3750 and JQ3500. So after experiencing these two models for quite a while now, we decided to share our practical experiences with these reliable jump starters, how they've proven their worth, and the valuable features they offer for our journeys. Unboxing was pretty straightforward. Inside the package, we got a bunch of accessories including the main jump starter cable with an EC8 plug, heavy-duty alligator clamps, both USB Type-C to Type-C and USB Type-A to Type-C cables, a DC plug with a cigarette lighter adapter, an air compressor hose, and these nozzles for the air compressor hose. The user manual provided crucial insights into the device specifications, usage, and safety guidelines. Holding the JQP3750 in our hands for the first time, the device felt very strong and robust. It has a sturdy build and substantial weight around 3.5 pounds. As we can see here, the top side features an LED display indicating battery voltage and various status indicators including input, output, errors, fast charging, and battery level. Below the display, here are the buttons offering control over features such as LED lighting, air compressor operation, tire pressure settings, and power. We can also see the unit's right side has a powerful 500 lumen LED light array ready for any unexpected occurrence on the road. The JQ3500 model, on the other hand, focuses on its role as a jump starter and can be used as a power bank for electronic devices as well. It's got a powerful 3500 amps peak current and a 24,000 mAh lithium battery. The JQ3500 also feels sturdy to hold with its robust build, but this one's slimmer. Its front side has a sizable LED display with essential indicators for battery level, input-output status, and fast charging. We see a power button, mode control, and LED status indicators right beside. The side-housed LED lights can provide a high-intensity beam to illuminate any dark situation. So as we're about to carry the jump starters for quite a while now, we had to put them to test to check their reliability. The JQP3750's primary role, jump starting, was put to the test with success. We began by replacing a slightly old and discharged car battery. We connected the fully charged JPQ3750 jump starter with the clamps to the EC8 port and then attached the red and black clips to the battery's corresponding terminals. Upon turning the unit on, we can see the battery voltage on the display, so we had no issues checking the vehicle's battery status. The jump starting process was pretty simple and we could start the car within a matter of seconds. We also created a dead battery situation by removing the battery entirely from the car and connecting the jump starter in its place. We just had to engage its forced start mode by holding the tire pressure unit button for 5 seconds. As we can see, the green light here is on, which means we've engaged the forced start mode. We've started the car using only the JQP3750 jump starter even in the face of a completely dead battery. The JQ3500 can do the same, but the procedure of engaging the forced start mode is kind of different here. For this one, we had to press and hold the power button and the flashlight button together for 3 to 4 seconds. Both the jump starts are capable of handling up to 10-liter gasoline or 8.5-liter diesel engine. The beefy JQP3750's versatility extends to its tire inflator function, which we found to be indispensable for maintaining proper tire pressure. The air pump is capable enough to inflate tires of up to 150 psi, which means this inflator can even inflate a fully loaded truck's flat tire. For us, it proved its worth time and time again. No matter if one of our tires were slightly deflated or completely flat, the JQP3750 efficiently inflated them. Another thing that felt worth mentioning is adjusting tire pressure between bar and PSI units is very easy with this one. When not jump starting or inflating tires, the JQP3750 served as a reliable power bank. With its generous 26,000 mAh capacity, it powered our laptops, mobile phones, and other USB-C devices with ease. And we definitely appreciated the inclusion of a 60-watt USB-C power delivery input and output. Charging the JQP3750 was straightforward through its USB-C port, although it would have been better if it wasn't limited to 60-watt input and output. Fully charging the unit took over an hour and a half. Charging the JQ3500 was also pretty easy using the provided Type-C port or the DC charging cable and cigarette lighter adapter. The Type-C supports up to 100 watts of power delivery, which should be the other way around as the JQP3750 has a more substantial battery. But I guess it is what it is. The tested battery capacity of the JQ3500 was slightly lower than the advertised value, but for us the difference was negligible. Both the jump starters have an emergency light. The JQP3750's powerful 500 lumen LED light came with 3 modes: normal, strobe, and SOS. The different lighting modes will be beneficial for changing a tire in the dark or signaling for help if necessary. The JQ3500 on the other hand has a 400 lumen LED which will provide ample illumination if used to jumpstart the car during nighttime. In our book, safety is one of the primary concerns when dealing with jump starters, and these delivered proper peace of mind. Their mistake-free design featuring reverse polarity protection and spark-proof technology ensured secure connections. Additionally, the incorporation of 10 safety protection technologies guaranteed our safety throughout the jump-starting process. So those were pretty much everything about the jump starters, and we can say that both the JQP3750 and JQ3500 jump starters have been invaluable assets during our drives. We loved the JQP3750's multifunctionality, its safety features, and robust design. The JQ3500 served well as a dedicated jump starter, excelling in its primary role of jump-starting vehicles. Its powerful peak current and reliability makes it an excellent choice for individuals focused solely on jump-starting needs. Lastly, all we can say that if you seek top-notch quality, functionality, and most importantly reliability in a package, both of these can be worthy choices. That's all for now. See you next time.